Akakiiko ka PAC kaba kashitama ha kitebe kikuru cha district ya Mbarara omuri Kamukuzi kacumita ebibuuzo bitari bimwe na bimwe chairman wa district ya Isingiro Jeremiah Kamurari. Omuri ebyo haba harimu okweshoboreraho ahari kwiha amaani kuremesa programu za gavumenti hamwe n'emishango erikurenga 5 eyaine omu kooti hamwe n'ebindi.
So the whole fight is my effort to ensure that they don't use roadblocks which are illegal, which are against the presidential directive and the ministerial directive. And even I went ahead in that regard, wrote to the PPDA complaining over the same. All of us, including my accounting officer, were called to Kampala, PPDA's office. A judgment was passed against them. It is here reading that they should not use, where I can quote the verbatim, but I can read it here for everybody's understanding or corrections. Number 1, the entity should ensure that there is no collection of local revenue on the Union Highway or community access roads contrary to the circular issued by the Ministry of Local Government on 27th of October on illegal collection of local revenue from unprocessed agricultural produce while in transit, but in gazetted Madoke markets and other gazetted places. This is a directive from PPDA.
Kamurari yabuzibwa kana na kataano omu kakiiko akaba kebembirwe Akero Judith Kandori omunyishenjero wa Agago.
So for one to allege that I have interfered in collection of local revenue, when actually yesterday, for those who watched news, I was even opening another market in a place called Kaswina. You saw it on TV when they also capturing what happened here. It was really ironical that the man who was opening a market on that day is also now wanted by PAC.
But are you aware that this morning you told me that you were at a burial?
No, I said the other day, not yesterday.
You said yesterday when you were blaming you here.
Maybe you can play the recording what I said. I said for those who watched the news yesterday, for those who watched, yes, they watched me opening a market, a daily market in Kaswina. That means I didn't open it, but it was aired yesterday. But I had opened it the other day in Kaswina. You watch TV, and that is it was TV West.
Munchirize ntwaro mukomishano gumwe ntongoze akatare kitu kwatanisha na bachaman bora abanyashagatira aha mbwene bantu mutena emukora higuru tongoza akatare nakari.
Akakiiko nabwe kayongera karabura Kamurari okwegendesereza okutahataho mu programu za gavumenti okukira munonga okukozesa amaani kuremesa district kushoroza emishoro.
We have the following to tell you that let it stop forthwith because this is an illegal activity. Stopping or interfering with revenue collection is against the laws of this country. And should you do it again, it will of course tantamount to the remedies that you know.
Nabwo akakiiko kashaba Kamurari kusia hagati y'okwa mushanju kuba yakozere report ahabiri kumugambwaho.
By mid-July, our report will be ready for presentation in Parliament and we expect a feedback on this matter.
Nabwo nyuma y'okurwa mu kakiiko Kamurari yagambaho n'abanyamakuru.
Nasho butari 17 bw'igiro muri district ko kurete musoro. 17 kandi bubona no bw'umusoro. Arimo karaga kurete miliyoni n'icweka buri kwezi. Hati Kamurari ko rwanso musoro ninga nuwagariro nkabashanga bari miliyoni 9 nazinyegeza kurambagamba bishatu na niyo nangora 29 ukati banyangwa 35 tekati kurga miliyoni 9 okoso butari bwawe ukasha miliyoni 3 na ukora umutarashije Kamurari itafira ngiro musoro atasi
ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.